I don't play no games. I don't play no games. Hey man, what's up and what's good, YouTube? Man, today I'm driving around my neighborhood looking for trash. You guys know the thrift stores are closed during this whole like quarantine predicament. And basically I've seen my boy Taco Stacks. I want to give a big shout out to him. You know, driving around finding fire in the trash. Hello. And so basically I'm doing the same thing today. Now I don't really resell like furniture or anything of that nature, but I'm looking for stuff that I can make an art project out of or something I need for my house. And I honestly just saw something in this pile of garbage, which I definitely am interested in grabbing. So let's get it. All right guys, so this is what I peeped. Holy shit, is that a used dirty diaper? Ah! Oh my God! Yeah! That's disgusting. Damn, that just might have changed my mind. But I need one of these hose rollers, and they have one, and it has like a whole wasp nest in it. Bro, dirty diaper and wasp nest included? Let's go. I feel like a creep because they definitely have a child and I got a camera in front of their house. So let's get it and get out. And there it is, guys. Stop number one, $30 value, free 99. The water hose with the wasp nest included. Yes. All right guys, same hat, different shirt because it's a different day. If I were to open my door right now, I'd get ran over by one of these ice cream trucks, except it doesn't have ice cream in it. It has cement, but I couldn't think of that in the moment. But dude, there is a giant carpet with like leaves and stuff on it, so I'm gonna see what's good and get it. Oh my God, dude. Oh my dear God, fresh out of Target? Are you me? That shit is wet as hell. Pause. Oh man. Oh, and they got that screwdriver. I'm not talking about the alcoholic beverage, a literal tool. Okay. But yeah, look at this, man. Real tropical vibes. Okay, I gotta get it in the whip. That's way over there.
I know, that's disgusting.
Oh man. Yo. Oh. Okay, so the carpet's hella wet. I wonder if a body was wrapped up in it. Dexter! But yeah, it smells really, really negatively fragrant.
Stings the nostrils.
So, that's always good. I'm gonna have to figure out a way to wash it. I don't know how long it's been out on the curbside, but it looks cool, but it smells like, smells like stale vagina.
Trippy.
Oh guys, we're lit at the next hot steaming pile of garbage. Check this out, man.
Look at it.
There's some dope ass planters in here. Dude, this plant is still alive, bro.
He's still alive?
Like, you can cut this up and grow a ton of plants out of this, bruh. Paw plant 2 in the mix. Like, this is a golden pothos, man. You can actually do a lot with it. Oh, they were tweaking on this one. Oh, they were tweaking, bruh. Not like this. This plant is not dying today. Not by any stretch of the imagination. This plant is coming home with me, and I am going to put it back into the world. Almost from death comes life. Also, this tree is lit. This is a hibiscus tree, I think. Oh, tweaking, bro. And look. A rusted ass flower, don't need that. Damn, they were off their rocker with this one. Hey, and look at this son of a bitch. Guys, they have a nice chair right there for the backyard, bro. I swear, with this carpet, these plants, and this chair, we got it going on. Up, there's a person. I wonder if this is their house. Fuck. It doesn't even have the attachment. Look how big it is. All right, there's it. Jesus. God, it's heavy as Can't even record while I have this in my head. Oh. All right, guys, so I just grabbed this heavy mixer. My girl says, how much are they?
$279.
Like, they're $279 new. That one is missing some pieces, but we're gonna see what's up with it. That shit was heavy as hell. Like, it was very hard to record. Then a kid came busting out the house next door with this dog that's barking at me. So I was like, yo, look at this, man. I'm looking hella sus. I said I gotta get the mixer and roll. But anyways, yeah, I think we're gonna circle the block one more time, and then I'll show y'all what I do with everything, man. Oh, jackpot.
Jackpot.
Look at that, you got a lazy boy and 2 TVs. Damn it, focus on them. Look at that shit. All right, man, this TV is super sick, dude. Old school Mitsubishi. I would get it, bust out the screen and make a doghouse for it. Shout out to homie Peter, who I think did that. I don't know if he's done it yet, but he said he was. Regardless, that's a rant. However, my dog's gonna outgrow this in like 2 weeks. So it's just so cool, sad to let it go, but it is super heavy and I don't need it. There's a Samsung one, shout out Jay-Z. Cool. Oh, what do we got here? Little picket fences. Oh, does it look good?
It looks good to me.
Oh, dude, I hear the trash truck on the next block. We gotta make this snappy. Dang, look at these crazy like curtains. Them shit are nuts. All right, yeah, got some little fences. Might use this actually right now when we set up everything that we got.
No, hold on, let me take a picture real quick. Look at this.
What happened? Damn, I got some hair poking out, man. Getting oven roasted. Anyways, guys, yo, we're headed back to the crib right now. Hopefully I'm not over speaking here, but I'm excited to actually set everything up. I think I need one attachment for that like hose wheel that I got. So I'm probably gonna get that and then get to work. All right, guys, so we're back, man. First order of business is complete, and that is to put the rug out in the sun. This is what it looks like. I just need it to dry out because it is very moist. Oh, and then now I need to save this golden pothos, and in order to do so, I just have to cut along the nodes, which are these little chode doodads, little outie belly buttons coming from the vine. So I don't want this dude to die because you can spawn literally as many plants out of this as the number of leaves that are on it. So I mean, we just have vines on vines. Like, this dude already has hella roots. So this one's ready to go in the ground right now, as is this dude. So we're just gonna chop these suckers up, put them in these glasses, and then we will have roots. He's like, what is this smell? Is this a corpse? He's like, whose body is this? All right, I got this puppy connected. Let's see if it actually works. Oh, yes. And it jizzed. Let's go. No lie, this chair is surprisingly comfy, and it even got a slight little lean and rock to it. But today, yes, it's a different day, same hat, you guys know the drill. I'm gonna actually add a plant into this beautiful flower encrusted pot, and then add a pothos and some of those other vines that have roots into this giant pot that I got in the trash as well. Let's do it. Alright guys, so one last thing we need to do before we wrap this video up is see if this little KitchenAid mixer actually works. It is super vintage, you can tell by the plug. So I have it plugged in, and let's actually give it a go and see what's up. Oh hell yeah, bruh. It's freaking lit. And hell yeah, bro, it's litty again. So hopefully y'all enjoyed today's video. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe. The likes really help me, and I love reading the comments. And guys, literally everything I got was free 99, so it is amazing. All I did was drive around my personal neighborhood, and that's the stuff that I found. So yeah, if you guys would like to see more of these trash chronicles, definitely be sure to comment and let me know down below. And I just might have to continue this trend because yeah, it's pretty cool, man. Anyways, I'm locked, I'm loaded, and until next time, baby, I'm out.
Killing these songs, leaving a bloody life I roost to. And I'm in it to win it, so I'm somebody that you should get